Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. So today, let me start GK Unit C Art and Music, chapter number Director, chapter number 18 Director Watch. Director मतलब जो movies को direct करते हैं. Okay, so a film director is a person who directs the making of a film. Director controls a film's artistic and dramatic aspects and visualize the script while guiding the technical crew and actors in the fulfillment of their vision. So, these famous directors are known for their style of filmmaking. Can you name them? Number one, this Toronto-based director has earned international attention with her films. She is considered by many as one of the finest new directors on the horizon, with films such as the trilogy that consists of Fire, Earth and Water. She is quickly becoming the voice of a new India. So she is the name Deepa Mehta. Number two, labeled the central romantic and with one of the best musical sense in the business, he was arguably India's most successful director of romantic films. Although he made action-oriented films like the ever popular Diwar, okay, it is in taking love and its various aspects that he has been at his best. So, his name is Yash Chopra. Number three, considered to be a man ahead of his time, he was one of the greatest icons of commercial Indian cinema, although he made less than 50 films during his lifetime. They are believed to be the best to come from Bollywood's golden age, known both their ability to reach out to the common man and for their artistic and lyrical content. So, his name is Gurudutt. Number four, he was the son of well-known Indian actor Prithviraj Kapoor, who acted both in film and on stage. After apprenticing in the Bollywood production studios of the 1940s, at 24 years of age, he produced, directed and acted in Aag movie with his new company RK Films. So, his name is Raj Kapoor. Accomplished film director, writer, producer. She was born in India and educated at Delhi University and at Harvard. She began her film career as an actor and then turned to directing award-winning documentaries. Okay, so including so far from India and India Cabaret, her debut features film was Salaam Bombay. So her name is Meera Nair. Okay, this chapter is end here. So, let me start the next chapter. Chapter number 19, World of Lakes, यानी कि झीलों का संसार. Choose the correct option. Which word complete the title of his Johnny Cash song, Sunday Morning Coming? So, A, B, C or D? C, down. Morning coming, down. Sunday morning coming, तो यहाँ पे word आएगा down. Number 2, do you recall the Jenny C release hit which contains these lyrics? I can still recall the words she had to say. She said, I'd like to address this meeting of the Harper Valley PTA. This one. Harper Valley PTA. Number 3. Which word completes the classical lyric? There's tear in my beer, cause I'm crying for dash. So what? C. Dear. I'm crying for you, dear. Now number 4. Complete the line to this popular song. I am proud to be an Okie from Muskogee. C. Which state completes the line to the song? Let's go to Lookin' Batch. So, Texas. Can you complete the lyric to this Johnny Cash in it? I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. This one. 7. Can you recall the line that completes these lyrics? I put a nickel in the jukebox and truck driving man. C. So, this chapter is end here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. Chapter number 20, musician. A musician is a person who is talented in making music or performing music creatively, or one who composes, conducts, or performs music. So, let's begin. There are some of the best known musicians of the world. Okay, identify them. You can choose your answers from the clue box. He often hailed as the godfather of world music and ambassador of Indian music all across the globe. He composed in 1970 Concerto for Sitar and Orchestra for his extraordinary contribution to music. He was also awarded the highest civilian honor of France, i.e. Knight of the Legion of Honor. So he is Ravi Shankar. Number 2, this composer in Child Prodigy from Vienna is often considered the greatest musical genius of all time. In his short life, he worked on 16 operas, 41 symphonies, 27 piano concerts, and 5 violin concerti, and other works in every form popular during his time. He is Mozart. He is one of the most well-known Indian flute players. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1992, then Padma Vibhushan in 2000. Hari Prasad Chaurasia. हरि प्रसाद, ये मैं शॉर्ट में लिख देती हूँ सी, यानी कि चौरसिया. Number 4. This musical giant from Germany successfully combined German, French, Italian and English musical styles in about 40 operas, 20 oratorios and numerous other vocal pieces, instrumental works and church music. So he is, what's the name? George Friedrich Handel. This one, George a well-known Russian composer. He wrote some of the most popular concerts and theatrical music including the ballads Swan Lake, The Sleeping Beauty and the Nutcracker. Piotr Tchaikovsky. What's the name? Piotr Tchaikovsky. So this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. Chapter number 21, digital photography. Digital photography uses an array of electronic photo detectors to capture the image focused by the lens as opposed to an exposure on photographic film. Try this quiz to brush up your knowledge of the world of digital photography. So 1. Lenses are usually coated with magnesium fluoride. Number 2. Camera is actually a Latin word meaning picture box, light box, dark room. Room. Who coined the term photography? Number 3. C. Sir John Haskell. A smart camera, the kind that can fit in your pocket. This is point and shoot. Electronic flash memory data storage device used for storing digital information. So this is memory card. The part of the camera that indicates the field of view that is seen by the camera lens. So it is viewfinder. The total amount of light that is captured. So it is 7D exposure. Number 8. This means that your subject is sharp and not blurry. It is focus. The distance from the center of a lens to the focal point. What is this? Focal length. The button at the top of the camera used to take the picture. This is shutter release. A camera lens that magnifies the image, zoom lens. An adjustable opening in a camera that limits amount of light, ISO rating. No, this is not correct. Done. This is 12. An adjustable opening in a camera that limits amount of light. This is aperture. This one. Number 13. A 3-foot stand often used to balance a camera. This is tripod. The portion of a scene that appears acceptably sharp in the image. This is depth of field. Okay. So the chapter is in here and this unit is all the topics are covered in this unit and all chapters are covered here. I hope you all are very understand this chapter. Thank you.